These oat protein bars are a great meal replacement option on the go. With 150 calories and 12 grams of protein, you can meet your protein needs in no time. Quarter cup of unsweetened almond milk, 4 tablespoons of egg whites, quarter cup of water, and I have here 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. I'm gonna add the milk mixture to it, stir it well, and set it aside for it to bloom for about 30 minutes to an hour. And here I have a small banana. It's about 3 ounces. Mash it. Add yogurt. I have here 1/3 of a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. It's about 3 ounces. And I'm gonna mix this into the oats. And now to make sure that we have a lot of protein in these bars, I'm gonna start adding a half a cup of PB2, powdered peanut butter. That's about 50 grams. And I gradually will keep adding more. But at the beginning, I'm gonna do a half a cup and see how it looks. And for extra protein, even extra protein, I have here 2 scoops of collagen peptides. That's about 20 grams. Sweetener, 20 to 40 grams of sweetener or honey. Pinch of salt. Mix it all together. And now we can assess how much more. And I think I'm gonna add another half a cup of PB2. So altogether the recipe is gonna have 1 full cup of powdered peanut butter. This is a great, not only for flavor, but it's great also for extra protein. It adds a lot of protein to the mix. And transfer to a baking dish. I have a parchment paper for easy removal. Trust me, it saves a lot of headache. And I'm gonna bake it in a preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Here it is. It's hot, of course. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Smells even better. Remove it right away and let it cool, completely cool, before you start adding next ingredients. You can actually leave it the way it is after it cooled, and you can cut in pieces and enjoy it just like it is. Or you can make it even better by adding some chocolate, dark, delicious chocolate. So I put the bars all together again so it's easy to spread the chocolate goodness on top. I melted 60 grams, about 2 ounces of dark chocolate using double boiler. You can be as conservative or as generous with the chocolate as you like. I will give you a few suggestions here. You can just drizzle a bit of chocolate on it to save some calories, or you can coat just the top. But the best tasting ones are the ones smothered with chocolate, of course. Just dunk one into the chocolate and coat all sides. put them into a refrigerator until the chocolate sets it and becomes nice and crunchy. And here is how you can prep them so you can grab them on the go at any time. Wrap each in a parchment paper and slide into a bag. With 150 calories and 12 grams of protein per serving, you can even have 3 of them for breakfast. Now it is ready for when you have no time to prepare elaborate breakfast or a snack. You can also freeze them if you like for a longer shelf life. They are so nice and crunchy outside and chewy inside. It's just a perfect sweetness. For more make-ahead breakfast ideas that are high in protein, these muffins are a must, and that's where I'm going to see you next.